In this video, we'll be showing you how to create and send an estimate for your services to a potential customer using Fullscope's estimate tools. To get started, all we need to do is head to the Payments tab in the left menu, come up to Invoices and Estimates, and click on Estimates in the drop-down menu. From here, we just need to click New Estimate to get started. Now, if you've used our invoice editor, you'll notice that this looks exactly the same. The only difference is that we're creating an estimate for our services here rather than an invoice for services we're providing. So you can do things like giving it a unique name, adding obviously a customer here, choosing the products you'd like to send, adding discounts, taxes, etc. All the standard options you would expect from an invoice. Some unique aspects of the estimate tool include being able to create and send an invoice automatically if the customer accepts the estimate and wants to move forward with the project, and also the fact that the customer can leave notes if they reject the estimate and have a specific reason for doing so, such as the scope of the project changing or some other reason. When the estimate is rejected, you'll be notified and receive those notes so that you can update the estimate accordingly, or of course, continue the communication with that customer in order to finalize all of the details of their project. So once you've added some products to this estimate, I'll just add something like, here's some social media templates. Then we can just click send, and it will send this along to our customer. Now, once they've received the estimate via email, they'll be able to open it, and it will look something like this. As you can see, they have the details of your business. They have the items that are being proposed in the estimate. And at the top right, they can either accept the estimate or they can reject the estimate. And as I mentioned, if they reject the estimate, they can give you a specific reason for doing so. You'll be notified by email if they reject or accept it. And of course, if they wrote any notes here, you will also get those automatically. So this way you can really streamline the estimate process and get that back and forth with the client done without too much delay. Once they've accepted the estimate, as I had mentioned, they can also immediately pay the invoice if you create it in that way, or otherwise you can of course take the next steps manually. Once you have some estimates in your system, you will see them all listed here, as you can see with a status. So if it's been sent, if it's been declined, if it's been accepted, you'll see all the estimates listed right here so you can easily manage them and get a nice overview of everything that's going on in your business with regards to the estimates you're creating for those potential customers. That's it for this video. If you have any questions about using the estimate tools, please reach out to our support team from within your account. They will be happy to help.